How to fix this page is not available right now on your Facebook in iPhone or Android. If you are having this issue on your Facebook application, then to solve it, this video is for you. First of all, open your control center and make sure that you have connected to internet. Then go through your settings and then hit on the general. From there, you will see an option of iPhone storage. Hit on that and scroll down until you found Facebook application. Under the Facebook application, you will see two options. Among them, choose Offload app and do Offload app and reinstall the app again. Now, go back to the general again and click on the VPN and Device Management and make sure that no VPN is connected to your device. Once you check all of this, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.